I was working on one of my projects and I realized that I was in dire need of a new router table. And unfortunately, this one wasn't going to work anymore. But then I remembered that I bought this table saw a couple months ago and restored it, and it could be a perfect candidate for a new router table. It already had this really nice Weismeyer fence on it, and sure, it's a little bit damaged, but so am I. Once I got the extension table off, I hauled it over to the CNC to let the robot earn its keep. With the inlays routed and the holes drilled to robot precision, it was my turn again. I went with the half-inch T-track for the custom fences, hold downs, and whatever future attachments I could dream up. A few machine screws, fender washers, and nuts, and these T-tracks were locked in. All that was left was to bolt it back on and put it in the router. Whoops, I guess I didn't think of that. Hopefully if I just take these handles off, it'll fit. Sure enough, all I needed to do was take those handles off and it missed that brace. Lucky me. It's not one of those fancy tables with the crank to lift the bit, but for me, right now, this does exactly what I need. All that was left to do was to put the fence track back on and give it a shot. And it worked just like I needed it to. So what do you think? Would you use this router table?